This is a video on how to produce Report 35-9, Academic Report. Previously, we showed you how to do a business report. This is an academic report, something you would use for school. You start the same way. You're going to download a file to begin the work, and we want a blank Word document, so we start from scratch. Save that blank document on your computer so you know where to find it. This problem is 35-9, so you start from your textbook and enter all of the data. I've done that already so that you can see quickly what it's supposed to look like. Now let's look at a couple of things. I'm going to turn the show hide on. You'll see that there are 5 single spaces here, and then this whole academic report needs to change to double spacing. So you need to turn on your double spacing once you get to the line that's going to begin ending procrastination. This is bold. The author's name is bold. Then there are side headings in bold. And you'll notice the difference here that there are paragraph headings also, like this "Take Baby Steps" is a paragraph heading in bold. The same thing with "Don't strive for perfection and enjoy the task." The other new thing you should see is a page number that you're going to put on the second page, and you'll have to refer back to lesson 32 in your manual if you have trouble and putting that page number on there. And the page number that you want is 2. So you'll need to go to Insert, Page Number. You're going to look for top of the page, and then you want it over on the right side. So you're going to go down. This is plain number 3 that I'm going to choose. You'll enter the 2. You'll notice that this 1 shows up. So we need to say different first page to get rid of that 1, different first page, because you don't want a page number on the first page, only on the second. Double space or double click anywhere outside of the heading and it will go away. Scroll down through, make sure you don't have any extra spaces. You might want to look over here that this paragraph continues after the enumeration and should start out at the margin. You may have to adjust your indent to bring it back out, and you might, for your tabs, need to set a 0.5 spot for the tab for all of these to work. So now that I have this, I'm going to save it. Go back to GDP, upload my copy, which is going to be 35-9. Submit my work. And you see I have 21 errors. So that I'm going to have to down through and see what I did. Looks like I have some errors around this insert. Is there a valid reason for my procrastination? I must have done something wrong there. So what you want to do is, it looks like it should be down here instead. So I say, okay, I'm going to edit my existing work. So it looks like these 2 items should be the other way around. So there are lots of ways I can do this. I guess I could go here to the end and hit enter, I can move this one down to where it needs to be. So I've put these in the other order, switched them around because I missed that out when I was doing my proofreading exercise there. So now I want to save again. Go back to GDP. Find my 35.9. Submit my work. So after I've resaved it and gone back in and looked at it, I now have 3 errors, so that I can continue this by going down through to see what I did there. Once you know what to do, there's probably a comma or something after that. I need to insert a comma after do. It looks like I forgot the words and nothing. So I say okay. I'm going to edit my existing work. So I go down to this paragraph, practice new techniques, know what to do. I want to enter a comma. And then go over to this paragraph, except the fact that no one and nothing is. That proofreading mark in your textbook indicates that you've changed your mind. You do want that and nothing in there. So now you can save again. Go back to GDP. And now I have 0 errors. So I'm good to go on to the next exercise.